I'll just give you some gist of what happened earlier today kasi galing ako sa medical nation. So tinanong ako, what is my purpose on joining this competition? Hindi. What is the purpose of me coming to, the medical mission? Of course, sabi ko I want to have a check-up, ganyan. Since it's free, ayan, so who wouldn't like free stuffs, right? So sabi ko, my motivation in joining this competition, charot. My motivation in coming here today is that I owe it to my kids and to my grandkids that I should have I should be in my optimal health, or yes, and whatever it is that we're going to find out later. Sabi ko, I wanted to address it the earlier. I don't want to pick a fight na patapos na ang fight. It's already sunsetting, but I want to ensure na kung may fight man, at least may laban ako. I am not hindi ako na bilong sa ay huli ka na. Okay? Ayoko nang na abutan ako ng cut off. Ganon. So, that what happened. So, recently, January, tapos na din ako, di ba? Nagpa-pap smear, nagpa-cervical test, initial breast exam for breast cancer, and luckily, and by the grace of the Lord, wala naman, we are negative. And then, in the latter part of January, I had my first eye check-up done, and there, I was diagnosed with on the way na tayo sa glaucoma. Kaloka. And then, yun nga, mahina ang ating mata. So, I was required actually to wear a glasses. But, I said, baka naman pwede ko pandasalan. So, hindi ko muna kinuha ang glasses. However, I got yung pangpatak ng mata. Which later, I found out that hindi bagay sa akin. Groggy ako, nasusuka ako, I'm nauseous. Tapos, migraine ko malala. On the 2 days lang na ginamit ko siya, just a drop of it in each eye, ha. Grabe, ang pait. Tapos, iba talaga, iba yung feeling ko talaga, hindi talaga. So, I continue with Illumine Eyes, and of course, putting frankincense in this area. And I also take frankincense sublingual, ganyan. So, may nakita naman akong changes, however, na, alam mo yon na pag, gabi, okay pa din naman ang mata ko. Not lang yung mga masyadong, hindi masyadong maliliwanag na fonts, hindi ko lang actually makita. And then, hindi naman sa hindi makita, pero parang meron siyang halo pa din. Ganon. Mahirapan lang akong basahin, pero I can still see it. And then, faces, ganyan. Siguro yung mga 40 steps away from me, hindi ko na siya talaga maaninag. Ganon siya Pero, 30 and below steps away from me, kita ko naman. Mukha, itsura, oo. Memorize ko naman, ganyan. And then, after my eye check-up earlier, so, binigyan na lang din nila ako ng glasses, ganyan. Kasi what I can see, kita ko naman yung pinakamalit na font na pinakita nila sa akin kanina. Kahit medyo malayo, kita ko, basang-basa ko pa naman siya. So, after my eye check-up, I went to ECG. Oo, lumipat ako agad doon. Number 1, kasi walang pila. And then, number 2, parang, it's new sa akin. Wala naman ako nararamdamang kakaiba, not unless kapag nakapagkape, hindi nakatulog agad, and then parang na-anxious ako na hindi ako makatulog, so nagpa-palpitate ako. Ganon naman. Pero kapag hindi ko naman iniisip na, ay, gabi na, di pa ako makatulog, hindi naman magpa-palpitate. Parang it's on here lang talaga. O, timang lang talaga tayo. Kapag hindi tayo nakakatulog talaga, pag, gabi na naman, di pa ako nakatulog. Parang ganon lang naman. So, what happened, this is my, ito naman sa akin, ayan, they given me 0.50 na glasses, but, kung gusto ninyo ng, ng glass, reading glass, this is, at saka yung pang laptop, at saka pang cellphone, pwede na itong kunin sa akin, I'm gonna give it to you free. Hindi, free of charge yan. Hindi pa pamigay ko, kasi hindi ko magagamit, ayoko nang ganun. Ayoko nang gamit na hindi nagagamit, ganyan. And then, this is also my, this is also the result on my ECG, and the doctor said, the cardiologist said naman na, upon reading, okay naman siya, regular naman, wala ka namang tachycardia, wala namang ganong ganap, okay naman. So, yun nga lang, mukha kang low blood kasi, ang BP ay nasa 70/90 na naman, just Pero okay naman siya. Your heart is very young. how young, hindi daw siya mukhang 30. Diba? At least! Thank you, Doc. Oo. So, yun. And, the doctor also told me na wag daw ako uminom ng mga energy drinks, and then iwasan ang calorie drinks. Ano ba yung mga calorie drinks na yan? Yung mga kala mo pang pa-sexy pero calorie pala siya, or mataas din siya sa sugar. So that's why I'm drinking Ningxia. Tapos for the headache naman, if you are taking Saridon, especially Saridon, sabi sa akin ng doktor, should stop it because number 1 siya nakakasira. Okay. So, yeah, those gamot pala, yung Saridon, it has caffeine, so you have to lessen that. And then, kung magkakape ka, wag naman daw lagi, and then, of course, drink a lot of water. And then, kung pwede namang iwasan na lang. And if you want to drink coffee talaga, kung kailangan mo talaga ng kape sa buhay mo, okay, mag-decaf ka. Ayun. So, but, if you can, drink naman yung pure na coffee, no sugar, the best. Oo. Ang sinabi talaga sa akin ng doctor, number 1, iwasan talaga ang kape, and then iwasan ang sugar. However, alam naman natin na kapag magkakape may sugar, so iwasan silang dalawa. Ayan. And yung mga iniinom. Oo. If you cannot sleep, try mong i-track down kung saan nanggagaling ang hindi mo pagkatulog. And then, kung hindi ka talaga makatulog, try mo muna daw na sunbathing. At least 30 minutes a day. Oo. Hindi naman talaga sunbathing. Di alam ko ayaw mong umitim, di ba? Pero at least, di ba, nasisikatan ka ng araw. It's really nice. It's really good. And then, kailangan din yun ng ating mata. So, yeah. So, yon ang mga sinabi sa akin. So, I hope you learned something from this. Again, iwasan ang mga dapat iwasan. Wag, at kung di talaga kaya, i-limit lang. And then, hanggang naman sa kaya mo na siyang iwasan eventually. So, yun lang. Ayan. So, bye-bye na. May pupuntahan pa tayo. Charis. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is the Oil of Life, and have a good day.